everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Loft Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in d.community.net/loftcard and press enter on your keyboard. Loft Mastercard is a credit card offered by Loft, which is a women's clothing store in the United States. The Loft Mastercard is issued by Community Bank and it can be used anywhere the Mastercard is accepted. To log into your account, click on the sign in button appearing at the top of the screen, which will display the login area on the right hand side. Type in your username in the first text box, followed by your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your username and password, click on the Forgot Username/Password link in order to look for your credentials. If you don't have an online access yet for the account, you can click on the Register Now link and follow through the registration process first before you can log in and access your account. After filling in your correct credential, click the Sign In button and you should be able to access your Loft Mastercard account right from your computer or mobile devices with an internet connection. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.